go! Oh, it's a big striper. Woohoo! All right, I'm at Alameda Rockwall today. First time chasing halibut, maybe a striper. That would be cool too. First time out here. I've only gone in the bay like 3 times, usually on Oyster Point. But I'm out with a bunch of friends. It's really gorgeous out today. Look at how nice and flat it is. It's not supposed to be windy at all for a while. So let's get them.
Get it, Scotty, get it.
Fish on. A little shaker. 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 Shaker.
Hallie?
Yep, Hallie. Looks like he's about 15 inches, 16 inches.
Let's go. Here, baby.
Yeah. It's a lot stronger than he looks. All right. I'm trying to get you out, guy. There he goes. Yeah. Woo! Oh, that was crazy. No skunk. All right. So I'm using herring on a trap rig. All right. Mark's on a fish. Mark's on his second fish.
Where you at? You still out in the fucking open?
What I do is I put a rubber band around the stinger.
Another shaker.
Hit the bottom, a little half crank up, fishing again. Oh, fish on! Oh, this feels bigger. Oh, oh! Let's go. Oh, it's a big striper. It's a striper. Keeper. I got my stripper.
Got that pink eye booty stripper.
He's a fatty. Oh, yeah. Oh, fucker.
Get out of your way.
He's a good one. Come on, fucker.
Get it,
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit, yeah. Woo. Look at that. Yes. Fat striper. Heck yeah. Yes. It looks like about 24, 25 inches.
Nice. I saw a bunch of this morning.
Dang. I'm happier than a clam right now. Welcome to Bonkington. Oh man. Okay. Yeah. Let's go. Jimmy. Woohoo!
Where's my phone? Hold on.
Do you measure striper from the fork or from the tip? So 24 and a half. Oh, leopard shark. Good size one.
Hey, Zach, get that leopard.
The leopard shark. Well, that's gonna be it for today. I caught one shaker halibut and a nice 24 or whatever and a half-inch striper. My first striper off the kayak. Keeper striper. And that was pretty nice. It got a little windy like it always does around the afternoon. It was fun to hang out with the guys. First time here in Alameda rock wall. And it's just the beginning of halibut season. Maybe we'll go to Oyster Point next time. Till the next adventure.